Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the channel one more time from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for providing you unconditional support. So loyal. I'll definitely provide you back your loyalty, eternally speaking, by providing you channels, videos one by one after another, every single day, best way possible, for free. Today I want to introduce you, all of you, introduction to Web Accessibility, W3C. Let's go straight to business. Get a strong foundation in digital accessibility to make your websites and apps work well for people with disability, meet international standards, and provide a better user experience for everyone. Wow, that's complete there. Love it. This course is being estimated to be done in 4 weeks. That means that you're gonna implement 4 to 5 hours per week, meaning an hour a day. It's a self-paced. That means that the progress will be done at your own speed at any time you want. Will begin, or begins already, May 19, recently already, and it's gonna end in December 31st, so you have plenty of time to finish it. About this course, accessibility is essential for individuals and organizations that want to create a high quality website and apps and not include people from using their products and services. This course gives you the foundation in accessibility you need to excel in digital professions. It is designed for developers, designers, content authors, project managers, and others, people with disabilities, etc. Optional material help you to learn more about the topics you are most interested in. In this course, you will learn about the international standard for web accessibility from the W3C, including Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, WCAG, and the WAI-ARIA for accessible, rich internet applications, and first steps in applying them. And you will also learn the broad scope of web accessibility, how people with disability use different assistive technology and adapted strategies, the business benefit of the web accessibility, and where to find W3C resources on implementing accessibility. Don't miss this unique course from the W3C Web Accessibility Initiative, WAI, in cooperation with the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, Institute of Information Technology and Education, IITE. It brings together the international expert trainers from Deque, Infoaxia, Intopia, Knowbility, the Paciello Group, and WebKey IT, and implements the open curriculum developed by the W3C Web Education and Outreach Working Group, EOWG. Interesting, very interesting. The course is created with support with the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, Institute for Information Technology and Education. At a glance, the system will be provided in English, the video transcripts is in English. It is subject of computer science. The institution is W3CX. Sorry. What you will learn. What accessibility means and how it's essential for some people and useful for all. Next, the scope of web accessibility and how it applies to the wide range of people and situations. The business case, including how accessibility can expand market reach, demonstrate social responsibility, drive innovation, and minimize legal risk. Next, the W3C Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. Next point is the principle of accessibility. That's what we're gonna learn, which means perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. Poor. Those are the principle of accessibility. Poor. Also, you will learn how can you check web pages for some basic accessibility issues and improve accessibility, as well as where to find the right resources for developers and designers to implement accessibility. You also will learn approaches for planning, managing accessibility in your project and in your organization, and where to find W3C resources for developers and designers to implement accessibility. It's crazy, right? This is the syllabus. Only gonna read the topics, which is this course is based on the open curricula from the W3 Charlie Web Accessibility Initiative WAI. Module 1, what is web accessibility? It has 2 sections. Module 2, people and digital technology, have 5 sections. Module 3, business case and benefits, that has 2 sections. Module 4, principle, standards and check, 5 sections. And finally, module 5, getting started with accessibility. Strange. Thought that should be at the beginning. These are the instructors who are going to be leading the course. We have Makoto Wiki, Vivian Conway, and Sarah Polis. Makoto is a web accessibility consultant in Infoaxia. A lot of productivity in here, expertise in this guy. guy. You can actually check him online and you'll find a lot about him interesting. Vivian Conway, Director, WCAG, PTY Ltd. A lot of experience in the field. You'll learn a lot. And Sarah Paul is a beautiful smile, beautiful look. Look at that. She's the Director, Accessibility Services in Intopia. She's a monster. Don't get confused. She knows a lot about this. A lot to learn from. You can also check her online and see a lot of intel from her. Ways to take this course. You can actually do the verified track and pay $99 in case you want to get tested, graded, and receive it. My audit track doesn't have a limit. It's limited for access to material until June 16. EDS support is provided. I recommend you to go that way because you can actually learn everything without pay anything, and knowledge is something nobody can take away from you. It's important. Give you some all the intel. I'm gonna leave it up to this point because it's too much intel and I don't want to get you bored in the video with things that you probably might not be interested about. I just give you the main points about this. As usual, I put the URL down below in the description of the channel, so you can come in here and check it out on your own, and if you want to go beyond, it's up to you. Alright, W3C Introduction to Web Accessibility. I hope you enjoyed. If you have concerns about this course, please don't hesitate to write me down. And if you take it, share it with us. How was your experience? How did you do?